Good afternoon. My name is Yves Iradukunda. I'm the Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of ICT and Innovation in the Government of Rwanda. It is my pleasure to join today the Kwitizina 16th edition and to reflect with you on the use of technology in conservation efforts. Rwanda started a journey of digitization and putting ICT at the center of socio-economic development about 20 years ago. We started by creating an enabling environment, and this was followed by investing in infrastructure development to create this ICT ecosystem. In particular, laying the fiber connectivity across the country unlocked many opportunities. We've now seen internet penetration increasing as well as smart device penetration. Particularly in conservation, this enabled the Rwanda Development Board to implement various technological solutions, such as the use of drone technologies, cyber trackers for data collection, detection dogs, GIS and remote sensing, and we are also seeing the use of virtual reality technologies to increase accessibility and provide for educational programs that promote awareness on the wildlife. The same infrastructure is also enabling us to build institutional capacity and increase talent in technology that will allow us to innovate and collaborate for the solutions that we need. For instance, we're investing in the Kigali Innovation City, not only to nurture these innovations, but also to scale them in Rwanda and across the continent and globally. And recently, we established the Center for Artificial Intelligence, Innovation and Policy. This will be creating the right policies and the right environment for various innovators to tap into emerging technologies. We also recently established the Rwanda Space Agency. This, in my mind, is a breakthrough for conservation efforts. Globally, technological advances such as deep learning and access to high-resolution imagery has provided ecologists and conservationists with the right tools to accurately count the wildlife population, to provide rapid detection of deforestation, illegal mining, and other changes in the landscape. We're very much looking forward to the contribution that the Rwanda Space Agency will bring towards conservation efforts. However, as we discuss today and reflect on the role of technology, technology and policies alone are not enough. We must bring creativity and innovation to plan and design systems that can truly achieve conservation at scale. We cannot talk about sustainable tourism without thinking about our day-to-day activities. Maybe to put this into perspective, and using Africa as an example, by 2035, Africa's population will be 1.8 billion. And by 2050, we will have a population of 2.5 billion. What does that mean for us? It means that we need to think of an African city that is able to provide sustainably for smart transportation, waste management system, and efficient use of energy. Today, allow me to share with you some of the initiatives that we are working on as the government of Rwanda to ensure that these smart solutions can enable us to achieve sustainability at scale. The first initiative is implementing the smart waste management system, which will primarily focus on the intelligent monitoring and analytics. And this will be coupled with a smart command and control center that provides a dashboard that enables us to see real-time different data points on city functions. The data collected will ultimately enable us to empower the municipal decision-making that leverage the data, as well as the urban planning and resource management. The second initiative I want to share with you today is the air quality pollution monitoring system. This is in partnership with the city of Kigali and Tactis, where different points on air pollutant will be detected and identified, and the data will be collected to design interventions that combat climate change, as well as design for safer environment for the citizens. Everyone has a role to play, of the government, the civil society, and various innovators within the private sector. I wish to call for more collaboration from everyone as we advance our efforts in conservation. I thank you very much.